Plant FAQs. Ehretia microphylla. What is Ehretia microphylla? For plant enthusiasts like myself, Ehretia microphylla, also known as the Fujian tea tree, holds a special charm. This captivating little tree boasts a delightful combination of aesthetics and adaptability, making it a favorite among bonsai aficionados and casual gardeners alike. Today, I want to delve into the world of Ehretia microphylla, addressing some of the most common questions I've encountered and exploring what makes this plant stand out. Light, sunshine, or shade? Ehretia microphylla thrives in a well-lit environment. While it can tolerate partial shade, for optimal growth and the appearance of those beautiful white flowers, aim for at least 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Think of it this way. Imagine yourself basking in the warm glow of the morning sun. That's the kind of light your Fujian tea tree craves. Watering, finding the perfect balance. Like most things in life, watering your Ehretia microphylla requires a touch of balance. The ideal scenario is consistently moist soil, but not waterlogged. Imagine a damp sponge. That's the perfect level of moisture. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out slightly between waterings. Remember, underwatering is less detrimental than overwatering, so err on the side of caution. Temperature. Keeping your tree comfortable. Ehretia microphylla prefers a warm and cozy environment. Temperatures between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius, are ideal. While it can tolerate occasional dips into the 40s, aim to keep it away from extreme heat or cold drafts. Think of it as a tropical vacation. Provide that consistently warm and comfortable atmosphere. Soil, the foundation for growth. For your Ehretia microphylla to truly flourish, well-draining, acidic soil is key. This allows for proper water flow and prevents root rot. Imagine a light and airy soil, like a fluffy beachcomber's dream. You can use a potting mix specifically designed for bonsai or acidic plants. Feeding, nourishing your tiny tea tree. While Ehretia microphylla isn't a heavy feeder, a balanced fertilizer applied during the growing season, spring and summer, can give it a little boost. A diluted liquid fertilizer applied once a month is sufficient. Think of it as a vitamin for your plant, a small dose to keep it healthy and vibrant. How to prune Ehretia microphylla? The beauty of Ehretia microphylla lies in its ability to be shaped and pruned. Regular pruning encourages bushier growth and helps maintain the desired form, whether you prefer a traditional bonsai style or a more whimsical, cascading shape. Think of it as sculpting. With each snip, you're creating a miniature work of art. Common pests and problems. Keeping your tree healthy. While generally a resilient plant, Ehretia microphylla can be susceptible to common houseplant pests like spider mites and mealybugs. Regular inspection and treatment with insecticidal soap or neem oil can keep these unwanted guests at bay. Early detection is key, so keep an eye out for any signs of infestation. Ehretia microphylla versus Ficus microcarpa. Ginseng ficus, a tale of two trees. Both Ehretia microphylla and Ficus microcarpa, ginseng ficus, are popular bonsai choices, but they have distinct personalities. The Fujian tea tree boasts smaller leaves and delicate white flowers, ideal for creating miniature landscapes. The ginseng ficus, on the other hand, is known for its aerial roots and resilience, making it a good choice for beginners. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your preference. If you desire a delicate and flowering bonsai, the Ehretia microphylla is your perfect match. Conclusion: the enduring appeal of Ehretia microphylla. Ehretia microphylla, with its manageable size, beautiful foliage, and potential for bonsai artistry, offers a captivating option for plant enthusiasts. By following these simple care tips, you can cultivate a thriving miniature tree that will grace your home for years to come. So, why not embark on this journey together and discover the magic of the Fujian tea tree?